Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be covering herb garden companion planting. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Have you ever planted a few herbs only to find some thrive while others struggle right next to them? Here's the secret many beginner gardeners don't know. Herbs grow better together if you pick the right combinations. This technique is called companion planting, and it's a game changer. By placing certain herbs and veggies side by side, you can boost flavor, fight pests naturally, attract pollinators, and make your garden easier to care for. In this video, I'll show you how to plan the perfect herb companion garden, whether you're growing in pots, raised beds, or right in the ground. Before we start pairing herbs, let's cover the basics: light, soil, water, and fertilizer. Light. Most herbs, like basil, rosemary, thyme, and oregano, need at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun. But some are flexible. Parsley, mint, chives, and lemon balm can tolerate part shade, meaning 3 to 6 hours of sunlight. The key? Put sun lovers together and shade-tolerant herbs in their own group. Soil. Herbs hate soggy soil. Always plant in well-draining soil. A loamy mix enriched with compost is perfect. If you're growing in pots, choose a high-quality potting mix, not heavy garden soil that can compact. Not only does compost provide nutrients, but it also improves soil structure and drainage. Watering. Herbs need consistent moisture, but don't drown them. Container gardens dry out faster, so check daily in hot weather. Water deeply, let the soil slightly dry, then water again. Overwatering causes root rot, while underwatering stresses plants. A simple rule: stick your finger 1 inch into the soil. If it's dry, water. Fertilizer. Less is more. Overfeeding herbs produces lush green growth but weak flavor. Herbs develop their strong taste and aroma when slightly stressed. Use a diluted organic fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks or mix compost into the soil at planting time. Now we move on to growing herbs in containers and raised beds. Containers are perfect for herbs. They offer great drainage, are easy to move, and you can keep them right by your kitchen. Size matters. Basil, rosemary, and parsley need medium to large pots. Smaller herbs like thyme and chives do fine in small containers. Material: clay breathes but dries quickly. Plastic holds moisture longer. Both are fine, just adjust watering. Drainage: always make sure pots have holes. No drainage equals root rot. For mixing herbs in one pot, group those with similar needs. A strawberry pot works wonderfully for thyme, oregano, and marjoram, with basil or parsley in the top opening. Just don't overcrowd. Airflow prevents disease. Here's where companion planting gets powerful. Group herbs by their growing conditions. Mediterranean herbs: rosemary, thyme, oregano, sage, lavender, marjoram. They thrive in full sun and drier soil. Don't pair them with water-loving herbs. Moisture-loving herbs: basil, cilantro, parsley, chives. They prefer rich, evenly moist soil. Keep them together for easier watering. Shade-tolerant herbs: mint, lemon balm, chervil. They can grow in partial shade and adapt to different conditions. Now, it's also important to note the herbs that don't mix well. Mint should always be grown in its own container. It spreads aggressively underground. Fennel is a loner. It releases compounds that stunt other plants. Rue doesn't get along with basil. Now, why mix herbs at all? Well, we have 3 main reasons. Number 1, pest control. Basil repels flies and mosquitoes. Chives deter aphids. Dill attracts caterpillars away from other crops, acting like a sacrificial trap crop. Number 2, pollinators. Sage, thyme, and oregano flowers draw bees and butterflies, boosting pollination for your veggies. Number 3, flavor boost and growth. Basil famously improves the flavor of tomatoes. Herbs with similar needs also grow stronger when grouped because you care for them correctly. Let's look at some all-stars. Basil pairs perfectly with tomatoes and peppers, repels whiteflies and mosquitoes, loves moist soil and sun. Chives attracts pollinators, deters aphids, pairs with carrots, tomatoes, and almost everything. Cilantro coriander, good with beans and peas, repels aphids and mites. Best in cooler weather. Sage protects cabbage family crops from pests. Flowers bring in pollinators. Rosemary loves sun and dry soil. Great with beans, cabbage, carrots. Thrives with other Mediterranean herbs. Dill brings in ladybugs and lacewings, aphid eaters, but also attracts caterpillars, making it a perfect decoy. Mint, keep in pots, excellent pollinator attractor, great for teas and drinks. Want to make your garden extra fun? Try themed containers. Pizza garden, basil, oregano, tomatoes, perfect for Italian nights. Tea garden, chamomile, lemon balm, mint. Brew your own calming tea. Tex-Mex garden, cilantro, oregano, chili peppers, fresh salsa ready anytime. Pickling pot, dill, garlic, chives, and cucumbers in a raised bed. Finally, you have to harvest herbs regularly. Pinch basil tops to prevent flowering and encourage bushiness. Cut parsley from the outside leaves first. Snip chives close to the base. For a constant supply, propagate. Number 1, cut 4-inch stems just above a leaf node. Number 2, strip lower leaves and place in a glass of water. Number 3, change water every few days. Roots appear in 2 to 3 weeks. Number 4, plant in soil once roots reach 2 inches. Companion planting is all about creating a self-supporting ecosystem, rather than just planting them side by side. Group the right plants, harvest regularly, and your herbs will reward you with flavor all season long. Thanks for joining us on Herb Garden Companion Planting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!